Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the refraction of light, the chapter which is very important in your class 8 chapter 6 presented by your Aradhana ma'am. Now we are going to take about the learning objectives of the chapter. Learning objectives. We will learn from this chapter refraction of light, real and virtual image, refraction of light through the glass slab, refraction of light in the spherical mirrors, terms related to spherical mirrors, refraction of light through the equilateral prism, and dispersion of light, and then the application of the refraction of light. Next, properties of light. Usually, light travels in a straight line. When we want to represent the propagation of light with a diagram, we represent it with the help of ray and beams. Ray, what is ray? A ray is a line with an arrow that shows the direction of propagation of light, and with such a diagram is called a ray diagram. A ray is a line with an arrow that shows the direction of the propagation of light, and such a diagram is called the ray diagram. Beam, a group of light rays moving in an organized manner, is called a beam of light. Next, in introduction to refraction. Refraction key, bending or change in the direction of light when it travels from one medium to another, from air to water. Refraction is used in designing and building lenses. The bending of the light is due to the different media slowing the light that by different amounts. The more the light slows down, it is refracted. Refraction medium key এখানে ক্ষেত্রে in look at the diagram, the I is the angle of incidence, R is the refractioning angle, and the angle that is being fall on the normal is called the angle of incidence, and the other one is angle of refraction. But the incident ray, if the medium will not change, will go to another pathway that is being diverted when the medium has been changed. Next, terms related to the refraction of light. Incident ray, normal, angle of incidence, refracted ray, angle of refraction. Incident ray কি আছে? The ray of the light that strikes the boundary. Normal কি আছে? Light drawn perpendicular to the boundary, drawn at the point where the incident ray strikes the boundary. Our angle of incidence key, the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Refracted ray key, the light of the ray that is another in from the another medium. Angle of refraction key, the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. Next কি আছে? রিফ্র্যাকশন অ্যান্ড রিফ্লেকশন অ্যান্ড রিফ্র্যাকশন। যখন কম্পেয়ার করা হয় তখন আমরা কি দেখব? রিফ্লেকশনে ইনসিডেন্ট রে আর রিফ্র্যাক্টেড রে একই রকম, রিফ্লেক্টেড রে, বাট ইন রিফ্র্যাকশন দ্যাট দেয়ার থিংস আর নট সেম. হাউ লাইট রিফ্র্যাক্ট? As the light enters through the slower medium, the light waves are compressed, and if the light strikes a medium at an angle, the part of the light wave that enters the medium first will slow down. এই হচ্ছে একটা মিডিয়াম থেকে আরেকটা মিডিয়ামে যখনই যাচ্ছে, লাইট ওয়েভগুলো কম্প্রেস করছে এবং তার পাথওয়েটা চেঞ্জ করছে. নেক্সট, রিফ্র্যাক্টিভ ইন্ডেক্স অ্যান্ড সাম মেটেরিয়াল. রিফ্র্যাক্টিভ ইন্ডেক্স কি? দিস ইজ দ্য মেজার অফ হাউ মাচ লাইট স্লো ডাউন ওয়েন ইট গোজ ইনটু এ নিউ মিডিয়াম. সিম্বল হচ্ছে এন হচ্ছে ভ্যাকুয়ামের জন্য 1, আর এন মিডিয়ামের ক্ষেত্রে কি? সি হচ্ছে স্পিড অফ দ্য লাইট ইন ভ্যাকুয়াম বাই স্পিড অফ দ্য লাইট in medium. Next, optical refraction. Optical density is the property of the transparent material that is inverse to the speed of the light through the material. তাহলে নর্মাল কি আছে? নর্মাল ইনসিডেন্ট রে আর রিফ্র্যাক্টেড রে, আই হচ্ছে অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ইনসিডেন্স আর আর হচ্ছে অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ রিফ্র্যাকশন. নেক্সট, ল অফ রিফ্র্যাকশন অ্যান্ড ইটস এক্সপ্লেনেশন. Refraction of light. Refraction is the phenomenon of change in the path of light as it travels from one medium to another when the ray of light of the incidence obliquely. It can also be defined as the phenomenon of change of light, speed of light from one medium to another. Laws of refraction key, law number 1, the incident ray, the normal to the refracting surface at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. Next, for a given pair of media, and for given wavelength, the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. কি হচ্ছে sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. This is called the Snell's law. Snell's law কি হচ্ছে mu equal to sin I by sin R. mu হচ্ছে refractive index of the medium, I হচ্ছে angle of incidence আর R হচ্ছে angle of refraction. Next, real and virtual image. Real and virtual image কি? Real image যখন due to actual intersection হচ্ছে rays তাকে বলছে real image, আর virtual image কি? যখন ব্যাকওয়ার্ডে এটাকে আমরা মিলিয়ে দিচ্ছি জোর করে এবং প্রপারলি কিন্তু ইমেজটা ফর্ম হচ্ছে না রিয়েলি, তাকে বলছে ভার্চুয়াল ইমেজ। যেমন রিয়েল ইমেজ কি? লাইট রেজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি মিট টু ফর্ম এ light rays actually meet to form a real image. An image is the inverted image can be obtained on the screen. This image in front of mirror and behind the lens and we can reach to it. But virtual image ki light do not actually meet to form a virtual image. The image is actually erect. The image cannot be obtained on the screen. This image is behind the mirror and in front of the lens. We can't reach to it. Next, what we can see spherical mirror and its type. Spherical mirror ki a section of the mirror of radius r and center of curvature c. Convex mirror ki if the mirror coating is inside the spherical surface তাকে বলা হচ্ছে কনভেক্স মিরর, আর কনকেভ মিরর কি যদি আউটার সারফেসটা স্পেরিক্যাল হয় এবং চকচকে হয় তাকে কি বলছে কনকেভ মিরর। তাহলে টু টাইপস অফ স্পেরিক্যাল মিরর আর দেয়ার, convex mirror and the concave mirror. Next, use of concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror ki shaving or makeup mirrors, dental mirrors, car headlight mirrors. And use of convex mirror ki security mirrors in the stores, side view mirrors in the vehicles and in front of the school bus. Allow the drivers to see the children both side in front of the bus. Next, terms related to spherical mirror ki আছে center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, principal axis. If you look at the diagram very carefully, we can easily understand C is the center of curvature, R is the radius of curvature, P or O is the pole and principal axis is the main axis. Straight line joining the pole of the mirror to the center of curvature. Next, what is dispersion? The splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called the dispersion of light. Light disperses and creates a rainbow effect when it propagates and refracts in a prism. Light disperses and created a rainbow effect when it propagates and refracts in a prism. The order of color in a rainbow is Vibgyor, each letter standing for a color in order. Next, application of scattering of light. Rainbow. A rainbow is a beautiful natural spectrum. Rainbow কিন্তু একটা খুব সুন্দর natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. It is caused by dispersion of sunlight by water droplets present in the atmosphere. The water droplets acts like small prism. When the sunlight white light falls on the raindrop, some of it gets reflected and rest gets refracted. Once it enters the raindrop, white light gets dispersed into the constituent colors violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and then reflected internally. It is refracted again while coming out of the raindrop. Due to the refraction, dispersion and internal reflection by the water droplets, we see the rainbow colors. Red color of sun and sunlight and sunset. Red color of sun at sunlight, sunrise and sunset. We can see that at the time of sunrise and sunset, light from the sun has to travel the longest distance in the atmosphere to reach the observer. The light traveling from the sun loses its blue light of short wavelength due to the scattering. But red light is যেহেতু long wavelength থাকে, so that it does not scatter so much and it is not totally lost. So thus the blue light is almost absent in the sunlight reaching the observer, while the red color reaches the observer and the sky appears to be red color. Next, dispersion of light through the prism. What is dispersion of light by prism? When the white light is passed through the glass prism, it splits into a spectrum of lights in order to violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, red. And this process of white light splitting into its constituent color is termed as dispersion. Next, application of refraction of light. When we see pencil partly immersed in water, it appears bent due to the refraction of the light ray bent away from the normal when they travel from optical denser to optical rarer medium. When you see from the outside, we see from the outside means we are seeing from the air, and we can see that the part has been broken. It seems to be, but it is not actually happening. It happens due to the refraction of the medium. Next, application of the refraction of light. A good example of refraction: when we see the bottom of a swimming pool, the light travels from the bottom of the pool through the water, but then through the air into your eye. The light travels in such a way that pool appears to be shallower than it is. So, conclusion of the chapter. What conclusion we can draw? We'll learn that what can happen when a light hits the spot where the index of refraction changes. Reflecting light goes at the same angle as it hits. মানে রিফ্লেক্টিং অ্যাঙ্গেল সেম থাকে, বাট রিফ্র্যাকশন অ্যাঙ্গেল অ্যান্ড ইনসিডেন্স অ্যাঙ্গেল সেম নয়. রিফ্র্যাক্টেড লাইট will depend on the difference between the mediums and the angle. At some angle, the refracted angle is 90 degree, so you get no refraction bigger entry angles. Also, refractions polarize the light, and at a specialized angle, the Brewster angle, all the reflected angle is light is polarized. So what we have learned from this chapter: the refraction. What is refraction of light? Examples of the refraction of light: why the sun appears to be red in the sunset and the sunrise, what are the laws of refraction, the center of curvature, the spherical mirror and its type, what are the uses of the spherical mirror. Everything has been discussed in this chapter. For further details, you can consult in your book. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have gained some knowledge and concept has been clear. So thank you and stay safe, stay at home.